Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Once again I came in front of you sir. Sir, see here the remaining problem from the same topic sir. That topic name is here capacitor. In that capacitor, see another one question. The effective capacitance of two capacitors. Remember, effective capacitor means nothing but total capacitor given in series. See, capacitors, two capacitors are, one is the 3 microfarad, another one is the 16 microfarad. When they are connected in series and parallel. Remember, first one what is the given? Series. Next one what is the given? Parallel. Next nothing but here, first of all series. What is the series formula? 1 by Cs is equals to, this is the solution. 1 by Cs is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. For this formula, we can write directly Cs is equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. He is given here effective capacitors. Effective capacitance means nothing but Cs value given. How much given? 3 microfarad. 3 is equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Okay, put the equation number 1. Next, what is given? Next, it is connected in parallel. What is the parallel formula? Cp is equals to C1 plus C2. Cp how much given? Effective capacitance 16 microfarad. One is the 3 microfarad, another one is the 16 microfarad, sir. 16 microfarad is equals to C1 plus C2. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Equation 2 value you have to substitute in equation 1, sir. That automatically you will get here 3 is equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 how much? 16. Then C1 C2 is equals to C1 C2 is equals 16 3 the 48. This is the equation number 3. Okay. This is the equation number 3. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. And now what we have to do here, sir, means we are taking one formula, that is C1 minus C2 whole square is equals to, what we can write here, sir, means C1 plus C2 whole square minus 4 C1 C2. This is the formula, remember. A minus B whole square is equals to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. If you can expand this value, this formula, sir, then automatically you will be get here A minus B whole square formula only again. Okay, so now sir, see here C1 minus C2 whole square is equals to C1 plus C2 how much came here? 16. 16 square minus 4 C1 C2 value is how much? 48. That's why we are taken, sir, here. Okay, C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2 whole square is equal to 16 square means 16 16 the 256 minus 4 48 4 the 48 into 4 4 8 the 32 4 4 the 16 plus 3 19 192. Okay, 192. Okay, sir. And now 256 minus 192. So I can do 256 minus 192 means 4 carrying 15 minus 9 6. 1 minus 1 0, right? 64. So you will get here 64, that is C1 minus C2 is equal to under root of 64. Under root of 64 means nothing but 8 8 is 64. So we will get here C1 minus C2 how much, sir? 8. This is the equation number 4. Now you can solve here. Solve the equation 2 and 4. Yes, sir. Next one, see. Solve the equation 2 and 4. Solve 2 and 4. Solve means क्या करना है देखिए C1 plus C2 is equals to how much here? 16. And C1 minus C2 is equals to how much here? 8. Directly you can cancel. C2 plus C2 minus C2 cancel. C1 plus C1 2 C1 is equals to 16 plus 8 24. So that implies, sir, again C1 is equals to 24 by 2. 2 1 the 2 12 the. So that implies you will get here C1 is equals to how much? 12 microfarad. And what about C2? Generally we will get here C1 plus C2 is equals to how much? 16. Then C1 is how much, sir? C1 value is 12 microfarad. 12 plus C2 is equals to 16. C2 is equals to 16 minus 12. That is C2 is equals to 16 minus 12 how much? 4 microfarad. So which is the right option, sir? First one is 12 microfarad. Second one is 4 microfarad. Option number 2. 2 is the right one. Okay, you can copy, sir. Yes, sir. Next question, sir. See here. N identical capacitors are first connected in series. Everyone, you have to note this point, sir. First connected in series and then in parallel. So first we have to take here series, after that parallel, sir. Remember. And then he is asking here the ratio of the resultant capacities. He is asking this type of questions also. Each and every value, sir. Single value also is not given in that question, sir. This type of questions also he will be asking. So what is the formula for it, sir? Means generally we are having, sir, in the series capacitor 1 by Cs is equals to 1 by Cs is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 and so on plus n by C. Cn generally. So simply we can take here n by C. Okay. So now, sir, if we can reciprocal it, then you will be get here Cs is equals to C by N. Remember, this is the for N capacitors in series formula. Okay. For suppose we can take here for the parallel, sir. For the parallel C, Cp is equals to C1 plus C2 plus and so on plus Cn. So directly you will be get here Cp is equals to N into C. This is the parallel capacitor formula. Okay. He is asking what is this, sir? He is asking the ratio of the resultant capacities. Means nothing but he is asking here ratio. The ratio of the first connected in series, after that connected in parallel. Means nothing but Cs by C suffix P is equals to Cs value is C by N by Cp value is N into C. So now we will write here again C by C by N into N, N square. N square into C, C cancel. So you will get here 1 by N square, means nothing but 1 is to N square. So which is the right answer, sir? Option number 2. Remember. Okay. Now you can note, sir. Easy problem, sir. Okay. And yes, sir. Next problem, sir. Another one problem. See. The energy stored in a capacitor is, remember, sir, energy stored in a capacitor, we are having separate topic. In that topic already you know that 3 formulas are there. In that 3 formulas are, we are using one formula. Which formula? How can we use? See here. See, energy stored in the capacitor is how much given? E value, E1 value 4 joules given. And second one, sir, the charge on it is double. Means nothing but here E1 value is 4 joules. Okay, E1 value given and Q1 value is, the charge on it is double, means nothing but Q2 value is 2 into Q1. So simply we can take here Q1 is equals to Q1 only. Okay, and Q2 is equals to double. And without changing the potential difference, he is asking here the energy stored in capacitor, that is, he is asking E2 value. So simply we can get here energy stored in capacitor formula. What is that formula, sir? Means E is equals to half Q into V. We are having this formula. So write the relation between energy and charge. Energy and charge. So now we can get here E2 by E1 is equals to Q2 by Q1. So now we can get again E2 by E1 value how much given, sir? E1 value is 4 joule. 4 is equals to Q2 value is 2Q1 by Q1. Q1 cancel. Then E2 is equals to 4 to the 8 joules. This is the answer. And now, sir, see here. Another 2 questions are easy questions. Once again, you have to read the question. 4 capacitors. How many capacitors? First, you have to underline. How many capacitors? 4 capacitors. Each of capacity 400 picofarad. So generally, capacitor value how much given? 400 picofarad given. How many capacitors? 4 capacitors. Means nothing but 4 capacitors. 4 capacitors is equals to 4 into 400 picofarad, means 4 for the 16. 1600 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Pico means nothing but 10 to the power minus 12. And what is the given? Potential difference given. V is equals to 100 volt given. And next, and then they are connected in parallel. What is the formula for the parallel, sir? We are having a formula half CV square. What is that formula? Energy stored in capacitor formula E is equals to half CV square. Remember this formula. In that formula, sir, you have to substitute that all values, you will get the answer. Substitute and find, come on. E is equals to half. See capacitor value 1600 into 10 to the power minus 12 into potential difference value is 100 whole square. So again we can write here 2 1s are 2 8s are means nothing but 800. 800 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 100 square means 10 to the power plus 4. So you will get here 800 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, because of minus bases are same, power should be added. Minus 12 plus 4 means nothing but minus 8. And again 2 zeros are here. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. This is the exact answer. Option number 3. Easy answer, sir. Everyone, you have to learn first of all formulas. If you don't know formula, you can't do anything. Yes, sir. Another one question also, sir. Same question. See here. 5 microfarad capacitors is charged to 100 volt. He is given here one capacitor value and potential difference value also given. So now, sir, then discharged by connecting a wire between the plates. The heat generated is how much heat it will be produces between the two plates. He is asking that one. That energy stored in the capacitor. That energy only, sir, which is equal to heat generated energy. Okay, so energy is equal to heat. Nothing but we can take same formula, sir, like this only. E is equal to half CV square. C value also given. V value also given. We can take C is equal to how much? 5 microfarad. Nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is the C value. And V value how much given? 100 volt. Take and substitute in that formula, you will get the answer. Yes, sir. Next question. Hereafter, sir, most important question from the capacitors. See here, three capacitors of capacitance values given, C1 value given, C2 value given, and C3 value given, are connected to a 100 volt supply. 100 volt supply as shown in the figure. See, C1, see here, C2 and C3 both are connected in parallel to each other, but C1 is in series. Okay, first of all, what we have to do here, sir, means see. Simply we have to do, sir, see, C2 and C3 are both are in parallel. Then formula we can take here C dash is equals to C2 plus C3 because of in the parallel plate capacitor formula Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, so now, sir, C2 how much here? C2 how much given? C2 2 microfarad given plus C3 value how much given? 1 microfarad given. 2 plus 1 total 3 microfarad. This is the C dash value. And this C dash value, see this C1 and this C dash both are in series. And again C and C dash are in series. Here we can write here C2 and C3 are in parallel. Okay, C2 and C3 are in parallel. That's why we are taking here parallel formula, sir. And now, sir, C and C dash both are in series. That's why we are taking C1 value is 2 microfarad. Okay, and C dash how much came, sir? With 3 microfarad. So both are in series means nothing but we are having series formula. CS is equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 how much? 2 microfarad into C2. C2 means nothing but here C dash. C2 means how much? 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 3 is 6 by 2 plus 3 5. This is the C as well. Means nothing but how much you will get here? 1 point something you will get here. Okay. So why not you can write 5 ones are 5. 5 5 2. Right. 1.2 microfarad. Again converting farads are 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is the CS value. Okay. And now sir, what we have to sir means he is asking here the charge on capacitor C2 is. So check it one. See what he is asking here. The charge on capacitor C2 is how much charge it can be passing through the capacitor C2. He is asking that one. So first of all, sir, what we have to do here, sir, means in this question, first of all we have to find out here total charge. The total charge is Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, which is equals to, generally we are having here charge formulas are Q is equals to CV. What is that? CV. Here CV means nothing. C means nothing but total capacitor value. How much came? 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Q is equals to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. And potential difference value. How much given here? Potential difference. That is 100 volt given. 100 volts. Means nothing but 100 you can write. So now you will get sir 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 square. Means nothing but 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Bases are same, power should be added. This is the charge value came. Okay, CS value also is there, charge value also is there. So what is asking here? How much charge can be passing to the capacitor C2 means nothing but we have to find out here Q2 value. Q2 is equals what we can write? Generally Q is equals to CV. Okay. So now sir, potential difference. Potential difference, right? Right. How much potential difference can we drop on the capacitor C1? Okay. So now here we will get here V1 is equals to Q1 by C1. Q1 means nothing but 1.2 into 10 power of minus 4 by C1 value is how much sir? 2 microfarad. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then again V1 is equals to 1.2 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 into this 10 power minus 6 as taken as the numerator side will become 10 to the power plus 6. So now you will get here V1 is equals to 1 the 2 0.6 the because of 2 6 the 12. After one digit we have to take the point. That's why we are taking here point. Okay. 0.6 into 10 to the power bases are same, power should be added. That is 10 power 2. So how much you will get here? 60 volt. See, remember sir, V1 is equals to 60 volt means nothing but then V2 is equals to how much? 100 minus 60. So we can write here V2 is equals to V minus V1. That is 100 minus 60 means nothing but how much you will get? 40 volt. This is the V2 value. So now we have to find out here last one sir. That is the step is Q2 charge because of how much charge it can be passing through the capacitor C2. That charge is Q2. Q2 is equals to C2 into V2. Here C2 value is 2 microfarad, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V2 value is 40 volts. So now 40 to the 80. 80 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then again 8 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb. This is the how much charge it can be passing here sir means option number 3 sir. 8 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb charge it can be appeared on the capacitor C2. Remember. And next problem sir, see here. What is the given sir in that question sir means calculate the effective capacitance means nothing but total capacitance is asking. Okay, between the points P and Q. And next the P and Q of the arrangement shown in the figure. He is given like this figure sir, diagram. See in the diagram, see these 4 microfarad and these 10 microfarad both are divided by another one capacitor. And these 4 microfarad and 10 microfarad, these were also divided by another one capacitor. Means nothing but here these two are in series and these two are in series. Okay, after that this value and this value both are in parallel. So how can we recognize, how can we find this one sir means we have to draw here like a Kirchhoff law Western bridge. Diagram is Kirchhoff law Western bridge sir. 4 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 4 microfarad, and draw the 4 microfarad, 4 microfarad. This one P and this one Q. And this one is in the middle of the term, that is the 10 microfarad. Everyone, you have to remember, sir, in that Kirchhoff law, everyone, you know, when the galvanometer current is constant, then Ig value is 0. We are taking no. Here also this term is 0. Okay. And now, sir, see here. First, these two. For this 4 microfarad and this 4 microfarad, both are in series. Both are in series, sir. Right. Right. So we can write, why not? A, B, C, D. Right. First we can take, sir, here triangle from the ABC, from the side. What we can write, sir, here means resultant capacitor of the branch. Which branch we are taking, sir, here means branch ABC. Branch ABC. What is the formula? These two are in series. Series formula means nothing but what we can write, C1 is equals to, means nothing but CS1. So simply we can write here C1 only. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So C1 means how much? 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. 4 into 4, again we can write by 4 into 4 means nothing but 8. 4 1 the 4 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. How much you will get, sir? 2 microfarad. This is the C1 value. Same as it is. Similarly for the branch ADC. These two are also in series. Series means again formula C2 is equals to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Same here also, 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, you will get how much? 2 microfarad. And this value and C1 C2 both are in parallel to each other because of these two are, PQ is divided, separated. Okay. So now here, therefore C1 and C2 are in parallel. Then formula C is equals to C1 plus C2. 2 plus 2 is equals to how much? 4 microfarad. This C value came, but this value and this 4 microfarad both are in again series. I think everyone understood, sir. See, which values are means this is a C value and this another one is a 4 microfarad. See, C value how much came here? 4 microfarad. This one also 4 microfarad. These two are in series. Series means nothing but formula CS is equals to C1 plus C2 by C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 how much? 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4 means nothing but 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, 8. 4 1 the 4 to the 8, 2 1 the 2 to the means nothing but CS is equals to 2 microfarad. Which is the right option, sir? Option number is 4. And next problem, sir, see here. What is the given, sir? Means from the given figure, find the value of the capacitance C. One value is not given, sir. The remaining all capacitors are given in microfarad. Okay. See, C1 dash given, C1 given, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Total 7 capacitors are given. First of all, see, C5 and C6 both are in series. C5 and C6 both are in series. So C1 dash we are taking for this value. Okay. So both are in series. That's why, sir, we will get the answer is generally formula C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So that is, sir, 4 microfarad. And now, sir, see here, and this value and this C7 both are in parallel. Parallel means formula C1 double dash is equals to what will we get here? Parallel C1 dash plus C7. C1 dash is how much? 4 microfarad. Plus C7 also how much? 4 microfarad. 4 plus 4, 8 microfarad. So completely this value how much came sir means 8 microfarad came. Okay, 8 microfarad means nothing but see this total value how much sir? 8 microfarad came. This 8 microfarad and this C1 value. This 8 microfarad and this C1 value both are in again series. C1 and C1 double dash are in series. Series के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है सर? This one sir C2 dash we will get. Okay, what we will get here? C2 dash is equals to not C2 dash C1 triple dash you can take. C1 triple dash is equals to what is the formula? C1 into C1 double dash by C1 plus C1 double dash. C1 into C1 double dash by C1 plus C1 double dash. C1 is how much? 1 microfarad into C1 double dash is how much came here? 8 microfarad by C1 1 plus 8. So 8 1 the 8 by 1 plus 8 9. So this is the C1 double dash means nothing but this total value came now. Okay, but remaining here also is there. For that also same as it is we have to see both are in parallel to each other. I am writing here C3 and C4 are in parallel. Which one? Parallel. So now sir C2 is equals we can write C2 is equals to C2 dash. C2 dash is equals to what we can write? C1 plus C2 means nothing but 2 microfarad plus 2 microfarad is equals to how much came here? 4 microfarad, that is the C2 dash, and this value, see this total value and this value both are in again series. Both are in series because of they lying on the same line. That's why we are calling here series. Okay. Series means nothing but C2 double dash is equals to C2 plus C2 dash. Then now sir C2 value is how much? 8 microfarad. Sorry, series no. So we get it here C2 into C2 dash by C2 plus C2 dash. C2 how much? 8 into C2 dash 4 by 8 plus 4. So now you will get sir again 8 into 4 by 8 plus 4 how much? 12. 2 1 the 2 4 1 the 4 3 sir. So you will get how much? 8 by 3 microfarad. This is a C2 double dash value means nothing but this value and this value both are separated by one line. Okay, one line. So this value and this value both are in again parallel sir. What is that? Parallel. 8 by 9 value and 8 by 3 value, I mean C1 triple dash and C2 double dash. I am writing that one also. Here I am writing C1 triple dash and C2 double dash are in parallel. So we can write here C3 dash is equals to what we can write? C3 dash is equals to C1 triple dash plus C2 double dash. C1 triple dash answer is how much? 8 by 9 plus C2 double dash. C2 double dash answer is how much? 8 by 3. So now you can do sir LCM is 9, 8 as it is right plus 8 by 3 into 9 means 3 1 the 3 3 the 3 8 the 24. So we can write here 24. Okay, 24 plus 8 means nothing but 32 by 9. This is a C3 dash. This one microfarad. Okay, and last one, this C value and this C3 dash both are in again parallel, sorry, series. Therefore, C and C3 dash are in series. Formula is therefore CS is equals to C into C3 dash by C plus C3 dash is equals to C plus, now I am writing here CS value how much given sir in the effective capacitance? Any values given here? SC value given? 1. Right. Effective capacitance between the A and B is how much given, sir? 1 microfarad given. Means nothing but CS value is given how much? 1 is equals to C value not given into C3 dash 32 by 9 by C plus. इसको ऐसे नहीं है और एक इक्वेशन से भी कर सकते हैं सर. Simple. We can take direct formula better. 1 by CS is equals to 1 by C plus 1 by C3 dash. Okay. So now sir again 1 by C is equals to 1 by CS minus 1 by C3 dash. Right? This plus 1 by C3 dash taken to equal that side. It will become minus. Then 1 by C is equals to 1 by CS value how much? 1 minus 1 by C3 dash how much? 32 by 9. Means nothing but 1 by C is equals to 1 minus 9 by 32. 9 by 32. That implies 32 1 the 32 minus 9 by 32. It will become 24 by 32 microfarad. This is the answer. Okay, sir. We will get the last answer, sir. 1 by C is equals to 1 minus 9 by 32 means 32 minus 9 by 32 is equals to 24 by 32 microfarad. Option number is 1. Okay, 23 by 32 microfarad. Sorry. See, these are 23, no, sir? 23 by 32 microfarad means nothing but, so we can write here C is equals to 32 by 23 microfarad, sir. So option number is, sorry, not first option, sir. Option number is 32 by 23. Option number 2. Option number is 2, sir.